Welcome guys. So today I'm going to fix this broomstick. I'm going to show you one powerful way to fix your broomstick. You don't have to throw it away when it breaks like this. Let's see the stud. The broomstick is the broom itself is here, or you can call it the scrubbing brush, your floor scrubbing brush. The stick is here. Alright, I'm going to show you powerfully how to fix that. Alright, here are the items needed. Can you see? And one important part that is needed: an empty plastic can, plastic bottle for soft drink. You see this plastic bottle? That is what we're going to use. So we're going to show you how powerfully we can use this to fix your mop stick or your broomstick. Just follow, don't skip any part of this video. To show you now. Okay, so we have this. So what we need is the cap, crank cap. Yes, we need that. We need the neck of the bottle, the plastic bottle. Right. So we fix the cap to this and we screw it down. Very strong, very strong. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, if your broomstick or your mopping has broken and the plastic was actually broken at this point, I leave a link in the description of this video so that you can see how to fix that too. See you on another video. Bye.